Well, this time of the year is supposed to be given to the IPL, and I'm sure that guys usually find it very attractive when women are tying their hair. So guys, during the lockdown, either we have been just lying down on the bed or just sitting throughout the day and not moving our body a lot, which can cause a lot of stiffness in your body. And I won't appreciate that at all. So guys, welcome back to the Classic Affair, and in this particular video, I'm going to be telling you all some great stretching exercises which you guys can do at your home and get rid of all the stiffness in your body. And guys, I'm going to be doing it with a touch of entertainment by relating the exercises to different situations and giving them some unique names so that it is easy to remember for you all. Starting off with the first exercise, it is the neck exercises. First exercise is the universal boss stretch. Well, this time of the year is supposed to be given to the IPL, and I'm sure that we all are missing the Gale storm, because just imagine, you're out there in the middle at the non-striker's end and there's Chris Gill standing alongside you, and all you're gonna do is watch the ball sail over your head.
Look straight up and move your head from left to right very slowly. If you will be fast, it might cause you dizziness as well.
Moving on to our next exercise, it is the girlfriend's no. To all my boys, just imagine you are having a plan with your best friend to grab a beer, and then your girlfriend asks you if you guys could go out for dinner. Then you ask her if she's good with that because you are already having a plan with your best friend, and she's like, yeah, sure. But what she really means is no.
So guys, in this exercise, you gotta move your head to the left and move it all the way to the right and do it again. Just make sure that you do it very slowly, just like the first one.
So guys, moving on to our next body part, it is the shoulders and your upper back. So guys, in this, our first exercise would be the Ross's finger stretch. So guys, if you have seen the series Friends, I'm sure that you're well aware of what this means. And if you are aware of this, then you would be aware of what this means. Am I right? So guys, what you're gonna do is place your hands on the shoulder, and what you're gonna do is just rotate them like this. Moving on to our next exercise. Well, I couldn't think of a name for this one, so I guess I will leave it to you guys, and the best name in the shout out.
What you're gonna do is find something like this gate which you can hold. Take your arms back and hold it tightly and lean your chest forward and just stretch out.
So guys, moving on to the next body part, it would be your lower back. So guys, in this, the first exercise is what I call as the women hairdo stretch. So often we have seen women just tying up their hair this way, in which their head is falling backwards, their lower back and the butt is totally stable, and this causes a stretch in the lower back. So guys, I read this in a meme or something that guys usually find it very attractive when women are tying their hair this way. Apparently, I could not think of the reason, but if you are aware of it, do make sure that you drop it in the comments below.
So guys, place your hands on the butt with your butt and the lower back being very still. Chest out, head leaning backwards. This will help you stretch in your lower back. 3 sets, 15 to 20 seconds each.
So guys, next exercise coming up would be for your lower back as well as for your sides. I've just changed my position because the sun was getting very harsh over there. Moving on to our next exercise is what I call as the Imran Tahir style. And if you're wondering why, check this out. So guys, the only difference in this exercise would be that we are not running.
Okay, spread your legs, stretch your arms wide, and then move down on one side of your body like this, and then the other side. And do like 20 reps in one set and 3 sets each.
So guys, moving on to the next exercise is what I call as the boredom stretch. And the reason why I call this as the boredom stretch is because you can do this while you're sitting on the chair while you're watching TV.
So guys, just sit on a chair with a straight back, cross one of your legs over the other one and just push it downwards this way. Make sure that you do it lightly and not very hard. This one is for your sides of the hip joint, and similarly do it for the other leg as well.
The next body part would be our legs. And this would be including our hamstring, our quadriceps, our calves and the glutes. So guys, the first exercise what we have is what I call as the Superman stretch. The reason why I call it as a Superman stretch is because you stretch like Superman. So guys, transfer the weight of your body on one of your legs, raise the other one in the air and stretch out your arm. If you want, you can take the support of something as well. The leg on which you are transferring your weight should be completely straight, as you can see. After that, switch on to the other leg and do 3 sets of 15 seconds each. Because moving on to our next exercise is what I call as the stair hopping stretch. So if you are somebody who's always running late, and if you are running on the stairs by skipping one step each so that you can make it earlier or you could speed it up, I guess that you're gonna be pretty familiar with this one. So guys, this is what I call as the stair hopping stretch. In other words, it is called as lunges. Let's get into this position. Make a 90-degree angle with your front leg, extend the other leg backwards and go down this way. Do this for like 15 to 20 seconds, 3 sets each, and similarly you gotta do it for the other leg as well. Moving on to the next exercise is what I call as the Cankle stretch. The reason why I'm calling it as the Cankle stretch is because it is for your calves and your ankles. Cankles. So guys, this exercise is probably simplest of all. You can do it either on the ground, but I would recommend you guys to do it on a stair step. Place half the sole of your foot on a stair step and transfer the weight onto your toes and move up and down this way. 15 seconds each, do 3 sets and that will be good enough. So guys, moving on to the final exercise of our routine and probably the most important one. This one is going to be for your mind, and this is what I call meditation. Well, not just me, the whole world calls it meditation. As we all are well aware of the fact that the time zone going are not very healthy for all of us psychologically. That is why meditation is very, very important right now. Sit alone for like 10 to 15 minutes and plug in some good soft meditation music and just talk to yourself about all the positive things in the world. That is what I do. Guys, trust me, a good 15-minute session of meditation can make the whole day of yours very, very positive. The reason why I'm doing all of these things in the form of an entertaining manner is because 1, it helps us understand better, and 2nd, it helps us keep positive, and which is very, very important for us all during this quarantine period. So guys, this was it from today's video, and if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, drop in your views in the comments below, share this video with your friends, with your family, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, hit the notification bell to get the notifications of our latest videos, and guys, until next time, it is Nathan Gupta. Stay home, keep yourself positive and stay safe.